how to set up iCloud mail forwarding on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then tap on your account name at the top. After that, we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, you want to tap on the CO button. Then tap on iCloud Mail. From here, we scroll down. Okay, so keep scrolling down and tap on Mail Forwarding. Then tap on Mail Forwarding toggle button to turn it on. In the mail to, put in the email address you would like to forward the email to. So let's say October at ITJungles.com. And if you wish, you can also delete after forwarding, so you can have your inbox automatically delete the emails. Otherwise, you can keep them in your inbox. Now tap on the accept button at the top, and after you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's how you can set up mail forwarding on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.